Hi, my name's Lucas, and I grow vegetables, mainly tomatoes and peppers. But it turns out I can also grow some pretty decent basil. I want to show you how you can grow your very own basil indoors. If I can do it, you can too. The journey begins with a packet of basil seeds. Toss them into a container with some potting mix, water, and cover with some plastic. I forgot to film this part. Bam, 5 days later, they've sprouted. I can already smell that home-cooked gourmet pizza. Mamma mia! Get yourself some plastic trays and fill them with quality potting mix. As long as the mix contains some nutrients and drains very well, you're good to go. I've got a video on how I make my mix, so check it out if you want more details. Okay, squeeze your container to loosen up the soil. Use a pencil to gently dislodge a clump of seedlings. This isn't brain surgery, but it's important to be careful and finesse it. Tease a seedling away from the others and use a pencil to dig a hole in the center of the cell. Then lower your seedling into its new home and lightly press the mix around it. Now give your seedling a mist of water. We're going to give it a better soak soon, but this will tide them over until the tray is completely transplanted. Now it's time to quench your basil's thirst. Pour half an inch of lukewarm water into a bottom tray, then add the cell tray. The water will be wicked up and the cells will be hydrated in no time. Light is the next piece of the puzzle. Place the tray under some bright artificial lights. I highly recommend getting a fluorescent or LED grow light. A month later, the basil's doing great. It's dark green, lush, and it's ready to be harvested. Besides watering when the soil starts getting dry, no maintenance is required to get your basil to this point. One thing I suggest is to use larger cells than I did here, because tiny cells tend to dry out quickly. To harvest, simply pluck some leaves off above a junction. This way, new leaves will sprout up from the nodes, giving you a continuous supply of fresh basil for all your cooking needs. Before you go, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Let's see if we can get this video to 1,000 likes. Thanks for watching. My name's Lucas, and I'll see you next time.